In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek for language translation. Now, this is actually very simple. First, you want to go to chat.deepseek.com and sign into your account, and then create a new chat, and now you can get started. So you can just message it, and what I would recommend is you always tell it this before translating. So just type in translate this text from English to, let's say, French. There we go, and then you want to input text. So for example, for this instance, we're just gonna do, hey, how are you doing? There we go. And after you do this, you just simply press enter or click on this blue arrow up over here, and what this will do is it will basically translate it to French from English. There we go. As you can see, it also gave me an explanation over here. So in French, hey can be translated as this over here, or salute, or hey. And as you can see, it's basically going to give you a translation and some alternative. But this one over here is what you should go for, and it should be correct. Now, let's go a bit more advanced. Of course, you can do just what I wrote up here. This is going to be the most basic version. But what you can also do is just translate this text from English to French. And then you can do kind of the tone you would like. So in a friendly manner, or tone, or whatever you want to do in a friendly tone, or you can also put in an accent if you want to. Of course, that's also kind of, you're able to do this as well. So let me just paste this as well. There we go. We're gonna press enter, and it's gonna translate. And by the way, you can use any language you want. I think it knows pretty much all the languages there are. So yeah, there we go. As you can see, this one kept a warm, friendly tone, because salute is a casual and common way to say hi. As you can see, there we go. It also explained this very, very well. So in case you are learning the language, this is gonna kind of help you understand and expand your vocabulary. Now, what you can also do if you want to translate language is you can just basically upload a file or doc or image, and you can tell it to translate that document or that image. So it's going to do that and translate it into the language you would like. So for example, if you would like something to be translated into English, DeepSeek can do that as well, and then it will give you a translation in here from a document or an image, which is also powerful. Just make sure you know this command. Type in something along the lines of translate this text from English to French, or from X language to Y language, and then you can give it a tone or however you want it to basically sound. Now, you can of course give it some more. If you don't like this, you can just type, is there any other way to say it? It's going to tell you all the different ways, and then for a specific occasion, you can just ask it, so if I'm in this situation, which one should I use? And it's going to help you as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use DeepSeek for translating languages. It's very efficient. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.